Hey, what's up? JD here with the Fusion Pipeline. Let's jump right to it. The enhanced major and minor abilities are absolutely insane, and today I'm going to show you just how much damage you can do with one of my favorite major abilities, Vision Pulse. With this enhanced attached to it, known as Marked for Death, you'll be doing some ridiculous amount of damage. I'm also running with Eagle Eye for crits and last shot plus, Bulldozer for point blank damage, Berserker for crit, chain boost, and armor regeneration. Fourth skill track doesn't really matter, use what best suits your build. Now I'm running with the so-called 545 with sharpshooter and mortar rounds. Notice how I'm hitting 8,085 per bullet. Now when I activate enhanced vision pulse, look at that, 13,744 at most. That's a 5,600 damage boost. It shreds Oscar, Shadow Overlord, and any other boss around Avalon. Soon I'll be doing a deep dive on my best operator with all the skill tracks, exotics, and nightmares. Till then, this is JD saying happy hunting, and I'll see you next time.